Ndị be anyị ekele m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, Ekpa ka you subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasara maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
I'm doing it in one state, and that's awesome. Not really what we need to do. We need to reach out to everybody.
Yeah, you can always make your announcement publicly what you're looking for. But what I'm saying is maybe the state governor should be able to, if you go through that, they should be able to send you one name from each of the 40 states for that department.
Okay. DPM, I just want to add this. Honorable Dulac, send me your number. If your number that I have is what you want me to make public, I could send that announcement to the 40 states platform for you on your behalf.
Okay, I can do that. I can maybe send an email.
No. WhatsApp.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next person.
All right. Oh my, the hands are up. Okay. Ekpa.
Let's take Marine. Sorry.
Okay. Marine Command. Okay. Marine Command.
Marine, can you talk and so you can go rest?
Okay.
Good evening, good morning, everyone. Fambo Marine. So, bench each and everybody network for this Zoo Republic government.
Okay.
And Obi the motor na this meeting. Na yini nekureba na we the soldiers ayana chagi nuku. But ufunkwa kama nekun is that mwanya no forever been our DPM unu waboya ni na mbebono numa yunu genyi ya konya anyi kai mo bada ko demma me makana ndị be anyị si na onye nọ mmadụ nso anyị sisezi and remember ịga n'iru bụ ndụ ịnachi azụ bụ anyị nọ na this homeland ma ka ndị izu sha prepare makwa eme but by grace of Elohim ha plan chi na plan ọ na-abịa mfe. So ihe mma na universe to reach our destination. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. DPM, you want to speak?
No, go ahead.
Maazị Ekpa, please.
Yeah. Wonderful people, wonderful cabinet members of am I coming out? Hello, am I coming out loud?
Yes, you are.
Okay. This is me again. My first time joining this comment session and answer. This is my first time ever since I started doing Biafra struggle right from MNK time. I was opportune to be speaking today live with my Deputy Prime Minister, Ngozi I'm very, very so much happy. Where I'm calling from homeland. Yes, we are good. We are good in homeland. You know, they have finished killing. Yes, we are good in homeland. Yeah, we support you, our deputy prime minister, in whatever you are doing in Biafra government. Ihe m na-ekwu bụ asị onye asị ya jide ka o ji ị mara nke o ji dị mma. Anyị kwụghị n'azụ. Hapụ ndị mmadụ, they will be doing all they can be doing. You know, onye ịma na asịrị na onye na-eme ihe ọma na aga na-anụsị ya ọgụ ka ama na ya kwatu ya. You are standing strong, you know, you are steadfast, focused, and you know, steadiness. All you have for n'ebe ị nọ, ị dey shake. Iwurugo, in fact, iwurugo iroko. Onwe ihe na-akwa gị. Ikuku ahụ mmiri zo. But first of all, before I go on my DPM, please, you blocked me right from
When did I block you? Where? Nebe.
You blocked me. First account. I've been crying for this. I've cried to go 247. I've cried to Drake. I've cried to I've cried to everyone. They said I should. In fact, I'm tired. I don't want to.
Where did I block you? Where did I block you?
First, your first account, the first ever account before you.
The first Twitter.
Yes.
What's the name?
You sent me Ekpa.
So can you pull? What did you say before I blocked you?
No, this whole thing started this thing after our declaration in Finland on 29th of November. Everybody, I was surprised. So I don't have to worry. I said that one day I will speak to you, and finally today I've heard. So I don't know if I did anything wrong. Please forgive me. Go and block me back. Sorry.
What did you post? What did you post before you were blocked? That's the question.
No, DPM, he has already felt guilty. Apparently, he said something when he wasn't sure. He said immediately after the Finland convention, this problem. That's what he said, this problem.
I don't know. Even if you ask me, I don't even know. I don't know if you can help me.
Forgive him.
So please, please keep it up.
He's not patronizing you, so block.
All this name praising,
Yes,
okay, we're on block after. I want me after you so send you when you so send you price in BIAFRA land, whether knowingly or unknowingly. Makana is so easy. All this
this is Icheke. I don't think I said anything, but I've been following you right from the time. If you can ask Drake know about me, everybody knows.
After you send me a message privately on Twitter to know you, because I don't know, I block people when they just are crazy. So you may have to evaluate and check what you said, what you posted. Because ignorance is no excuse in this thing we are doing. If you have truly been following NNAMDI and following our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, I don't think if you have truly before that say you're confused. That's why some of the individuals, all these new people, they hand a book from nowhere that don't even know, and they just join and using them to lie, to confuse them. It's a different thing, but again, I have to check and know what you posted. If it's something real bad, you will still remain on. You still remain blocked.
Please, just do and check. But if you don't find anything bad, you can release me from this prison. Are they inside prison?
I will.
Go open another one.
Okay, next person is Mazi Johnson Ogodano.
All protocols duly observed.
We can't hear you.
Oh, he heard me.
All protocols duly observed.
DPM, you can't hear me?
Am I coming out?
Yeah, you are coming out. DPM, can you hear him?
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Okay.
I actually do not have any questions. All I have at this time is commendation, admiration, and a big thank you for all the hard work every single one of you do day after day. I mean, I think about all the things you do, your day job, and then after all of that, you still make out so much time to give to Biafra. I mean, I don't even have the words to say the thank you that I have in my heart for all I see you all do. I want to really say thank you so much. And then I want to zero down on our DPM. DPM, as I listen to you day after day, the kind of confidence you exude, the kind of authority you command is so amazing. And it tells me the kind of strength that you have. And as I listen to you, I look at the things you do, I just think about the nation we're trying to build. And my hope is that our nation will be built, our institutions will be built on this kind of strength, on this kind of authority, that the world would know that indeed there are people that are fearless, a people who are super confident, a people who will truly stand and be an example to the world. I want to say thank you, and I want to say continue in the strength that you have. We are solidly behind you. We're watching you. We're working with you. There's no shaking. So thank you very much, and may you continue to be strong. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. That's one.
That's one.
Thank you.
Thank you, my DPM.
DPM.
Why is it echoing? Okay, go ahead. Talking. I'm not sure it's echoing.
I want to raise my hand, but I don't know.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on. Who is that?
Emeka talking.
Go ahead.
Dr. Dorothy, do you want to say something before?
Sorry?
Okay, so we just take these 3 minutes.
Somebody has two things open. It's echoing. Somebody has two things. Listen to two gadgets. Remove it.
No, I don't have to. It's only one.
Wow, why is it?
Go ahead.
Okay. My DPN, I greet you so much for your good work and making a go of more fun. Noromina Redika, our chief of defense, and making a quaggy. Our Jima Cable, chief of defense, because I'm from Apostle Dr. Steve. I don't know Jima. No, twins.
And Ebuka and their person Steve. Yes, they look alike for real.
Because I think I'm away cable. All the picture had the two man. It is so quite different.
I mind the both. Singularity of restoration and sustenance.
So as some can soon of more mana. Nankuru America. I know something is nesige karele. That is Zuge the Niosa Buanoko. Oh, my friend, Mpaya Smojoga Jojo say, my father Lorago Biafra, but on go now. My friend Mpaya were bomb Simonia Kari equal kuna, but Nimagona Zoo and network adron my bafu. Or Smojoga you that Nahawa Lorago Biafra. That nebe haje lo haje na eyedi ya o we kosi pa farati no ogwashuku but then this thing na but mom here what bodra fa na ogwashuku not near kadendu na number yedi ya asili Biafra army ndi log na ma number ya masikwa ndi commander ha kpojara ogwashuku as this thing all camp have fun or go ashwo because we call ya was na fa nwa ka dị ndụ na ọ bụ na Biafra bịa na onwere ihe a ga-akpọ amụkọ mob that is onwere ọkwa ha ga-enye ha ọkọ nwere ha ga-apụta abịa kụziere ndị Biafra
Of course.
gbasara data ọgọ gbasara data ọgọ apụ.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. We value our veterans. They are very, very important to us. They are dear to our hearts. I special honor, you know, and we put them on the payment, on retirement payments. Awesome. You know, believe me, they will have a lot of benefits.
Yes.
Finally established in Backland. So to stay strong and stay alive. Very soon, Biafra will be finally home, and we will take care of him.
I don't want us to move Biafra. Also, move Biafra that now. If the time you don't know that our government may announce, so you're going to be Biafra. No one again military.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media. Boy by Siwene Utano Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen Nigeria, and the NNAMDI teacher na Eastern Region. And Uno Kosia Dana Finland and the Biafran Prime Minister KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland. So Yelina Kaya Aine Utelu Niwa Huko. Kifi Oliku Bastama Kayabo, Chief of Staff Gasi Niwa Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So Yabi Feka Isikai Tiedo no Kono. Why function no den kono basta makaya bi fe ngwa dado din en